A lot of people were asking me questions about email marketing. I'm getting many questions like how can we start email marketing, how can we collect emails, how can we send bulk emails, and how can we promote our products or services using email marketing. So I have decided to come up with a new and complete video about email marketing. In this video, you will learn everything to start email marketing. I'm Zain Rizvi from W3 Academy. Let's start our video. After watching this video, you will be able to collect unlimited emails from Google and other free tools I will be sharing in the latter part of this video. You will be able to create a high quality email with high quality images. I will be sharing a link, I will be sharing a free tool to create high quality newsletters for your email, and I will share how you can create a high quality subject for your email so that people will click on your email and your click-through rate will be up. And another important thing is you'll be able to send bulk emails, bulk campaigns to promote your products, to promote your affiliate products, or to promote your business using email marketing. So this is the complete email marketing mastery video. If you want to learn email marketing, if you want to start email marketing right away without any need of investment or without any need of anything, you can just watch this video till the end and you will start email marketing for your products or for your services. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So when we talk about email marketing, the first thing that comes to our mind is email. You must have some emails to start email marketing, but the question is, how can you collect emails to start email marketing? I understand that collecting email addresses and building your email list is a very hectic and time-taking process, because you need to have a landing page, you must offer some stuff, kinda ebook or an audiobook to grab their emails, and many other things are there to grow your email list. But to start email marketing right away, I'm not gonna ask you to build a landing page or offer something like ebook or audiobook. I will share a technique by which you can collect unlimited emails using Google and other free tools, so that you can just start email marketing with me and promote your products and services using these emails. You'll get a targeted email list from Google about your niche, about your product, about your business, and then you can promote your products and services to this email list. So in this part of the video, we will talk about collecting emails from Google, collecting unlimited emails from Google, and then we will see how you can promote your products or services to this email list. So I will take you to my computer screen, and there I will show you practically how you can collect emails, collect unlimited emails using Google and other free tools. So let's go to my computer screen and then we will see how to collect emails. Okay, so now we are here on my laptop, and now I want you to watch this video very carefully till the end. If you skip any step between the video, then you are not gonna learn it properly. So I want you to watch this very carefully. Every step I do, how I collect emails from Google. Watch this video very carefully. So first of all, you'll have to open Google, open your browser, and then open google.com. okay, so now collecting emails is very easy using Google, but the thing is you need to collect targeted emails. What does targeted email means? Like I want to collect emails of a person, of my potential customers. So how can I do that? So first of all, I'm gonna show you by example. So first of all, let's say I have an affiliate product about cricket, about any sport. So what I will do is I have to collect emails, I have to gather emails of a person who has interest in cricket. That will be my potential audience. What I will do is I will write in the inverted commas cricket. Okay, comma close, and then the location where I want to sell my product, my affiliate product. So I will write Pakistan, and then I will have to write @gmail.com. You can write @yahoo.com. You can write @hotmail.com. So yahoo.com, as a lot of people use Gmail in Pakistan, so I have written gmail.com here. So now I'll have to click on this Google search. Okay, so as you can see that I've got some results. So what I will do is, then you'll have to click on this settings and search settings to increase results per page. Okay, I've dragged it to 100, and then I will have to click on this save. Okay, now it's done. So first I will show you how easy it is to collect emails from Google, collect unlimited emails from Google. But the thing is, only collecting emails from Google is not enough. You'll have to collect a targeted email. You'll have to collect an email of your potential customers. So first of all, open another tab, google.com, and then search email extractor lite. Okay, so open any of these websites. So I will open this first one. Okay, so now from here on your Google page, Control A, and then you'll have to copy all of them, Control C, and then you'll have to paste it in this section. Okay, it's done. Now from here you'll have to click on this separator, new line. Okay, now as you can see that, click on this extract, and now I have got 145 emails in just 1 second. Okay, so I've got so many emails, but this is not the way. I have to gather an email of a potential customer. So if I open this website and see who they are, okay, open some other websites as well. Okay, so as you can see there, from here, contact detail of regional cricket associations. They are not the players, they are some kind of secretary, chairman, and the people who don't play cricket. So I can promote my products to them, but it would not be wise, because you pay for every email you send through your email marketing. So you need to use your email marketing campaign wisely, because you are gonna pay for every email you send. So if we click on this, and then if we see, okay, so as you can see that these are the people who are somehow connected to cricket players, like they are the directors of training programs. So I can promote my products using these emails. So now I can click on copy, and then I can paste it here, and then I can extract many emails. Okay, so as you can see that these are the certified directors of training programs. So I can use these emails to promote my product about cricket. So let me show you another example. Let's say I have a product about email marketing. So I will write email marketing, and then let's say I wanna sell it to Canada, and then write gmail.com. Okay, now as you can see that I've got so many results. So what I will do is, okay, the thing you need to understand from here is, if I get email from this website, this is already a email marketing website, email marketing tool. They have experience in email marketing. I cannot sell my products to them because they are using their own email marketing. Like, you can say that if you are a graphic designer and you want to sell your services using email marketing, then you cannot sell, you cannot promote your services to the person who already excels in, who already have experience in graphic designing. You need to collect emails of the people in need of graphic designing. So how can you do that? Like email marketing, and then you'll have to open this and this. This is time taking process, but if you get 10 emails of a potential customers, then it is good than 100,000 cold emails. So as you can see that this person is SEO and digital marketing manager, and I have email marketing product. I have product about email marketing. I can use this email to promote my product. Maybe he's a potential customer of my product. So you'll have to open these websites and then you'll have to copy all of them. As you can see that, okay, then I will put it here. Okay, so I've got email. So I can copy this, I can promote my products to this email. I will show you an extension to gather email from here. So you'll have to open Google Store, okay, Google Chrome Store, and then you'll have to write email exporter. So now you'll have to add this exporter to your Google Chrome browser. It's very easy, like as you can see that I've already done that. So you'll have to click here, and then I've got many emails and phone numbers of the person from this page. Like you can see that I can just copy all of them and I can promote my product using this. Okay, I want to gather emails from this page, so I will click here, and then as you can see that I've got this email from this web page. Okay, so that's how you can collect unlimited emails from Google with other tools. So you'll have to play with this query to get emails of your potential customers. Like you'll have to play with this query, and then this query you'll have to try and retry to gather emails of your potential customers, because there's no need to gather unlimited emails of customer care services or any official email. You'll have to gather emails of your potential customers. So you can do that by playing with this query, by changing this query. I've just given you an example, and then you can gather many emails. So the first thing is collecting emails. Now the next step is sending emails to those emails. But before sending email, you will have to create an email. You'll have to create a newsletter with high quality images, with catchy headlines, and with catchy subjects. So you'll have to create a best email so that your click-through rate will be up, and then so that you can convert your lead into your customer. So in the next part of this video, I will show you how you can create a high quality newsletter, high quality email to send to your customers, to send to your email list, so that you can convert your leads into your customer. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.